Welcome to Planscape Rendering, where outdoor dreams take shape through design and visualization. We specialize in turning ideas into immersive visual experiences through expert landscape design and cutting-edge rendering. Let's get started with today's video. Every space has a story, and sometimes the most beautiful stories start with nothing more than an idea and an empty backyard. When our client first contacted us, they sent a few photos of their backyard, plain, underused, and full of untapped potential. But behind those photos was a clear vision. We want our backyard to feel like a private resort, a place to unwind, to entertain, and to feel at peace. We listened, not just to the words, but to the feeling. A pool wasn't just a pool. It was a place for their kids to laugh and splash. A fire pit wasn't just for decoration. It was where memories would be made on cool nights under the stars. So we began designing a space that matched their dream. A modern outdoor living experience, clean, luxurious, and perfectly functional. At the center, a striking blue pool, complete with built-in loungers for sunbathing inside the water. A soft LED glow brings it to life at night, while water gently cascades from a stone wall, blending motion with serenity. Just above, a raised spa zone allows for warm relaxation and a stunning view of the full yard below. Toward the back, a cozy fire pit framed by tall evergreens creates a sense of escape. It's the perfect place to wind down, glass in hand, with good company and great conversations. Closer to the house, we designed a fully integrated dining and kitchen space, with enough seating for gatherings, and enough style to feel like a true extension of their home. And as day turns to night, the magic begins. Lighting breathes new life into every feature, guiding footsteps, highlighting textures, and setting the perfect mood. What was once just a backyard is now a sanctuary. A place where beauty and function meet. Where every corner has purpose. Where life slows down, and moments last longer. Thanks for watching and stepping into the world of Planscape Rendering, where outdoor visions become vivid reality. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and leave a comment below. And for more stunning landscape designs and renderings, subscribe to our channel and follow us on social media.